Hello everyone. Welcome to this Poshier tutorial. Today I'm excited to show you how to build a food menu for your restaurant. Let's start by creating a classic breakfast item, ham and eggs. First, navigate to the menu section and tap the plus button. Next, tap the blue button to create a new category for breakfast. Enter breakfast and tap the add button. After that, select breakfast to confirm. Now, in the menu ID field, you can enter any number to represent this item. Enter ham and eggs in the name field and set the price accordingly. Next, we'll customize the egg preparation methods. In the customization section, tap the blue button and then tap New to create a customization for egg preparation. Enter egg preparation and add the options of boiled, fried, scrambled, and poached, tapping the Add button after each entry. Once you've added these, leave the selection type as single. Tap Save to create the egg preparation profile, and then select it for the ham and eggs item. Don't forget to choose a photo for this dish. Finally, tap Save, and your item will be created. Great! Now let's check the takeaway section. You should see the item listed there as well. If you have many items, you can easily search by name or menu ID. Tap on the item to review the setup. You'll be prompted to choose how the eggs are cooked. Let's select Scrambled. Everything is working perfectly. If you want to move the breakfast section to the top, go back to the menu section, tap the category button, and drag the breakfast item up. Then tap Close. So far, so good. Now, let's create a tea item. Begin by tapping the plus button and selecting the drink category. Enter tea in the name field. Next, we'll set up the price variance. Tap the Use Price Variant button, enter hot at a price of 3.5, and tap the Add button. Then enter iced at a price of 4, and tap the Add button again. Tap the Apply button to confirm. In the customization section, tap the blue button and then tap New to create a customization for tea selection. Enter tea selection and add the options of jasmine, English breakfast, green tea, and oolong, tapping the Add button after each entry. Leave the selection type as single and tap Save to create the tea selection profile. Then select it for the tea item and pick a photo before tapping the Save button once more. Let's take a moment to review the settings we just created. The hot and iced variants look good, and the tea selection is just right. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please download Poshier from the App Store and give it a try. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.